Today I am going to teach you how to easily add moody brown tone for this picture using the Lightroom mobile app. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Bring the contrast -20. Highlights to -10. Shadows to +30. Whites to -80. Bring the blacks +30. Now go to Curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next, go to Color. Bring the temperature +6. Vibrance to +30. Bring the saturation -30. Now go to Color Grading. Go to Shadows, bring the hue to 224, and saturation to 20. Bring the blending to 100. And done. Now go to Color Mix. Bring the hue +30, and saturation to -20, for the red. Now go to Orange, bring the hue -10, saturation to +20, and luminance to +20. Next go to Yellow, bring the saturation -30, and luminance to +20. Next go to Green, hue and saturation to -50. Now go to Aqua, bring the saturation -50. Finally go to Blue, bring the saturation -50. And done. Now go to Effects. Bring the clarity and the days to 30. Now go to Profiles. Select the Vintage 9, and bring the amount to 15. Finally go to Details. Bring the sharpening to 30. Noise reductions and color noise reductions to 5. Look the final result. Goodbye guys, see you again in another video like this.